everybody. Good afternoon to everyone. Actually, the reason for coming live on Facebook is something really different. Actually, this afternoon I received something from a courier service, and guess this. Everyone knows it, right? Tips Industries Limited. So this is also, I don't know how to express. This is a courier. This is a courier from Tips Industries Limited to Parmitarian. Okay, isn't it strange? Tips na roige to no nukhna jeng chaiwon khna jeng especially cassette rogo do I guess. I get through cassette logo, the logo, or logo when the Simon Kana Omo Kaisa Bollywood ni Bollywood ni Kaisa Yagra Yakshi Yagra the injury Yakshi the engineer I am Tino. So wishing you tamatong chung Naileana. I'm too excited. I said tips ni and your Korean stuff. It's like a totally dream for me. Never thought I'll receive such a beautiful gift from anyone, from anywhere. And I don't know. Let's see. I'm taking too much time. Okay, here is something written blank. I don't know what's it. We'll go to the main thing. So okay, here it's an agreement paper. Isn't it strange for me? It's really a big dream for me. Is it strange? So it's an agreement paper or Jagatam Shika. This agreement is made this 18th day of April 2019 by and between me and Tips Industries Limited. So aro ang porilia tamba ang oko soft copy pori pajak ay gino. Ani email pori paika ay gino. So I'm sick chalia. Tangi borok o agreement paper roho kha ang sawa no. Actually norok na ani cover song Selfie je release mani last year from the movie Race 3 Salman Khan movie. Yeah, aro jago bang kaisa cover song rajab kha goodbye baby selfish. Okay, a movie selfish video. Aro tamong kha I don't know. Cover video to jotono khayo jeng jotono khaya. I don't know borok tamon nugi amo saga saimalia. Borok ano mail khayoro, like borok by kaisa agreement khlaina bagi. If I want, I can work with them the same song again. Man tesha haino hai ada job no borok by borok studio thangi borok by samung khlaina bagi the same song I have to sing. Okay, yeah, Cobra Sanai. Okay, Tamokha, Borok, ano, email or Roman. Actually, I email would check later games. I mean, Facebook or Bakumatong, okay, so this and I email actually February email sick. Okay, one day, any friend Monojit, but any Korok Nayo, he also like a partner ang okay, as a very close friend of mine bo ani email rok check khai tamo mane boi korok tamo koro ar jaga ni ani airdrop tam rok kawang ma ar jaga ni bishingi samung no bok khlayo ang as time bo maya and moreover so technically ang as sai bo maya so boss halja ani email check khlaika ano Sumoga, I didn't email check the kind of then what? I get Nini email a 9 idea, Croxa Borok, no, mail hijack, Ajaga Sujak, actually, Kama artist no, am the high Rutugo, basically Chini, tips need a production or result night of no guy. I get not only we really, I mean, Nini, the Jamung, no. Khorang wo jaja khai ge if you really want you can work with us at the high okay speak okay speak loud a little bit loud okay actually tam sa share sa la share li ya hike akh dollar sin tongo then ba suddenly tips ni borok am tikhe buino personally message ok khlai kala khine then I took very lightly, after monojin no samani. And on top of this, monojin borok TV founder he and bonosaka like Jay handle Kaimani no kalashidi. I don't know. I'm to answer Shishu ya konya. Just Halena Tomani genuine person keba Haladi good dollar panongi mano. I know because tips ni I'm thinking roho tomani. It's not a joke, Abo. Bono monojino je salina tong salaika abria golo ano email roka agreement paper roriano roka ke ani details robo sanka so actually one chok maya chikon cover video robo amsake no lama phunugi mane hine one chogi mania actually recently no khna like I'm sorry. Gospel video kaisa release khlai mani, and your hard work pays off. Like, mane asak din amsa kabang ma asak hard work khlai ka thuya ke pa samuk khlai mani chal donga but amsa ke Ani imang rok suddenly easily going na hiri one to year na mukhan maybe chikon makon project phano ni mano I don't care but aro jaga ni amchu kotor khai no agreement paper ro hoi tong nang bai sam khalai na bagi chai tong like bele ke hambai jo to no and kaitor ni bagi no am tingo because nung joto 차가 동네 무다이시노는 저도 디셋 클라요 nung kun phano just a hard work khalai di nung bukha ko bui bai khalayang ke abo nini imang muk thang ri maya abo ke no ang bo hai no same thing am se kedeng mang kha asik o lama almost like 12 to 13 years ngai tong kha thuya Jaya ke samung khlaimani din tongkha and I still remember that jeng je ako gospel video lobby ro chabo je last time jeng release khlaimani Sunday o monsoon ar ro chabo jeng thang pro jini ba ko mic ri monsoon was jeng mai phung a siren thaimani mai bu chalai jagya atikhe no jeng ro chabo phailega sapung like sari go after work after Chini samung rok paya ko ni jeng mai rok chalai jago abo no like jeng sale tomani asike leng lai jak asike bohogo mai kri das kind of thangi bisram gonso thangi ko nei samung khlai lekha sa hachal scooty rok bai thangi ko nei sadung kotorma wati rok bu wajak rok amte herok kha ya abo no neng if neng bereke dedicated neng khai ke nen samung go Kaitor nai klayo hai si koke chikon ma kon phana man khana but this is really a big gift from a God to me and bini bagai tangsha lobby ro chabi am sike kotor gift mana hini ang ani life one chogi maya and thank you everyone te joto ani ta khum khuro ano khakjang nei ro ano ham yo nei ro no most okay ani khakjang matre hamyam ya phai jao ani ke nong ni ashirwad nong je nong ano ani bo ye baju mo apa iso ni thio aboni ba no tiang asaktor khe chakani hiklayumi. Thank you so much. And tabuk ang si decide clearly whether I want to work with them or not, because this is just an agreement paper from a Tips Industries Limited, and the thing whatever is written here is like I have to go there and sing the same song, the selfish song again. So I don't know whether I'll be able to go everything. I just leave everything to God. Je kai to klai abo nong nai future ro. And not only hamjak mong, not only support table rohodi. I'm so thankful. This happened just because of your blessing, just because of your prayer supports, and nothing is impossible without your prayers, without your support. So this is really too much for me. And thank you everyone. Keep praying and keep supporting me. So thank you everyone for watching too. It's 66. Oh my god, thank you so much. And I don't know, but I hope I'll do it my best. Thank you. Love you all.